Hello, today I will show you how to set up and use proxifier with CloudRouter together. By default, CloudRouter comes with a self-developed proxy engine, but this proxy engine doesn't work with Global Proxy, as you can see here, which required to set up proxifier. Also, proxifier has better capability than our default proxy engine. For example, some users they may have optimized the Windows system, which may be missing some system component. So using our default proxy engine, these users they may experience some issue like when the proxy is already on, but when they run the app from here, for example, the browser still shows your local IP address, not the proxy's IP. Also, some other users experienced like when you double click the app from here, but it doesn't open. And for these users, very likely is caused by because your Windows is not the original copy, or you installed some software which caused some conflicts or some capability issue. Anyway, for these users, you should try to use proxifier, and it will get solved. Okay, this is the official website for proxifier, and our software support minimum or above 4.0 versions of the proxifier standard version. So you should just download the latest version from the official website. Please pay attention here. Please do not download the portable version. Our software only works with the proxifier standard version, which require to install. Okay, now I'm installing proxifier. Okay, because I already installed proxifier earlier and registered it. If it's the first time install proxifier, it will pop up and asking for enter the series number to register it. You can Google for the proxifier's series number by yourself. We don't provide the register code. Okay, now we switch back to Settings tab. After installing proxifier, now you can choose this option. And for using Global Proxy, you need to choose the first one. Okay, thank you.